Welcome to today's video, everybody. Mate-chan's here, and she's either going to be very upset or very angry because there's a huge package out the front of the house. Like big, like on a pallet. Like a pallet is out the front of the house.
It's not going to fit in the house.
Yeah, I'm a little concerned about whether or not it's going to get through the door. But why don't you come outside and have a look? This is our house, by the way, guys. Garrett sent us a pallet. This thing is huge. Yeah. Like I knew they were sending us something, but I thought it was like we were gonna have like I don't know.
I fit in this.
Yeah, no, you'll 100% fit in that. We could ship you to Australia in that. Not even joking. Do you want the honors? Don't cut yourself. Oh wow, that was satisfying. Customs had to open this and they had a field day with it. What do you think they sent us? Do you think it's just one ginormous turbo?
the newest product. 87.
Yeah, it's an 87 mil, 62 times 7. Yeah, 60 kilograms this thing weighs.
How do you put this in there?
It's not that heavy. I think we can get it in the front door. Hang on, I'll hand you the camera and I'll drag all this. I think it'll fit inside. By the way, it's casually like 40 degrees out, so that's why we're going to do this box opening inside. Also, welcome to today's video where we're opening a big box from Garrett. We're just trying to get inside to the nice cool AC. Okay, I think we got the home run.
Oh yay, we did it.
Actually, that fitted quite nicely.
Yeah, perfect fit.
Come inside, guys, welcome.
お邪魔します
Yes. Okay.
is what you say when you come into a guest's house. お邪魔します
We're here, guys.
Woo.
Oh, did I just break my shoe dryer?
Maybe. The shoe dryer we use for...
My FD shoes.
Yes,
when
FD
I drive
shoes.
an FD and my shoes get really sweaty and moist.
They smell great too.
Alright.
We even have a backdrop. Good old Windows backdrop.
So, as you guys know, Garrett has been a massive supporter of the channel. They sponsor like all my crazy endeavors. The FD car, we're running one of their amazing G35 1050s. That thing feels amazing. And they got the S15 with the G25 on there. Pretty much, I love Garrett. They're the best turbo company in the world, and that's my opinion based on all the experiences that we've had. And you guys know on the channel, we've had some experiences with other brands. And all I have to say is those were experiences, to say the less.
Don't bring the past.
Anyways.
Oh my god. Guys. How many did they send us?
Okay, so now we start to
We don't even have the Christmas tree up here. And
yeah, that's true. Last time we had a package from Garrett, it was Christmas. So this kind of gives away...
Oh,
yeah,
no.
I know, there's a lot. Alright, so this gives away a few hints. We have a lot of stuff happening in the next... till the end of the year, essentially, on a lot of the builds. And Garrett is a big part of that.
Oh, so this one's for the Swift?
No, I haven't thought about that yet.
Oh, man.
We don't have a Swift yet.
Why'd you close that?
Because I'm sure the light is like affecting...
No, it's not.
washing
No,
out?
it's
Okay.
kind of nice. The little, what do you call that? Something tree. Palm tree. No, palm tree?
I'm excited about this
Okay,
box.
sorry.
Can we open this one first?
Okay, let's do the open.
So if you guys follow stuff that Garrett posts on social media, you'd know that recently they had a new product release, like a brand new product that they'd never done before. And this is super exciting. But they started making their own wastegates. Ooh, baby. I have to say, packaging on this is nice. Yo, this is nice. What? Like, I've unpackaged a lot of wastegates in my time. This is no joke, yo. What? Pictures don't do this thing justice. This is big, chat. Why do I keep saying chat? I'm sorry. I've been streaming a lot recently. This is beefy, guys. This is actually really exciting. I can't wait to get one of these on my car. So we got a whole bunch. I think there's like 10 wastegates in this box. Of 50mm wastegates from Garrett. I love it. Stainless steel, cast and then machined V-bands. The piston looks beefy as. You got a nice heat shield here. This is awesome. This is keeping a lot of heat that's radiating up from the exhaust away from the diaphragm and everything in here. You can see they've got a lot of cooling heatsink fins here. That's really nice to see. Another cool thing is water cooling is on here, so you can run some like, you know, dash 4 lines there, and you can keep nice, you know, the coolant or another separate cooling system through there depending on what your application is. But these, dude, pictures don't do these justice. This is a nice unit. Love Garrett, and thank you so much, guys, for sending me this care package. So we'll put this aside for now. But damn.
So what are you gonna use that for?
Yes.
Yes. What are you gonna use that for? Answer my question, damn it!
Yes. So wastegate. Wastegate. Not wastegate. That's a housing name. Wastegate. We're gonna make a leaning tower of wastegates here.
It's gonna be taller than me, Sam.
Wastegate. Oh wait, this was a wastegate. I didn't look at the right picture. Wastegate.
Okay, it's officially become taller than me, I think.
Yeah. That's literally like the same height as you. Alright, now let's get to the good part. I've been watching too much TikTok.
Yeah, you are.
Let's get to the good part, guys.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Yep, sure, go. Pick one.
What's this? It doesn't say anything on the box.
I mean, it will somewhere, but pull her out.
Looks like... Oh!
Pull it out. Just be careful, don't like cut your fingers or anything on anything.
It looks like I was gonna cut my finger. I can touch.
Yeah, you just grab it.
You sure?
Yeah. So that's a little guy. That's a G25 660. You picked the smallest turbo. Nice, right? She's so intrigued by it. G25 660.
No.
Oh, the serial number won't be the same as the model number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. You gotta look at the fins.
Yes. This is the turbine, and this is the compressor in the front of this section.
Compressor.
Yep. So the exhaust gas spins the turbine, just like at a power plant, right? How the hot steam, like a coal power plant or a nuclear power plant, the steam drives the turbine, which then spins the generator.
Yeah.
The exhaust gases from the engine spin the turbine to then spin the compressor, which then creates boost and then makes more speed and then more exhaust gases, and it's like this never-ending cycle. Turbos are super efficient.
Interesting.
Yep. So we got a G25 660 right there. Just throw that back in there. And we've got a couple other big turbos in here.
Just like Costco in here.
It smells like Costco. Like warehouse, yeah.
Warehouse smell.
And then in here should be a little bit of a bigger turbo. Now I'm sure you guys are starting to guess what most of these products are for with all the cars on the channel and stuff. Now, I believe this should be a G30 660 or a 770. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, long story short, we got a massive care package from Garrett, and then these are all the the rear turbine houses here. And this one will probably be another
Oh, that's bigger.
G30. Oh, looks like this is actually the G25 660 and the other two are the G30 770s. So yeah, as you can see, we got a lot of boost in this box and a lot of boost control. Oh, you're just a bit taller than it. Damn it, one more wastegate. One wastegate away. Oh, that's funny. All right, so all of this stuff is for the projects that are currently on the channel and some more coming. So I hope you guys are excited, and we're gonna kind of clean this mess up now and get on with the rest of our day. Just quickly as well, guys, I uploaded the Drift Matsuri video a couple days ago, and unfortunately Google and YouTube were having server problems, and there was a whole bunch of issues where people couldn't view the video. So I had to take the video down and re-upload it at a later date. Unfortunately though, that meant that YouTube didn't send out the notification to all of you guys to let you know that I uploaded. So if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. I'll have it pop up here on the side of the screen. Make sure you watch it. It is an absolute banger video and probably the best drifting video on my channel to date. Absolutely love it. And some of the most insane driving that I've ever done. Fourth gear entries, and it's so good. So go check it out. Watch it after this video, whatever you got to do, but don't miss out. And let's get on with today's video. So, come fight. Let's get some of this. Oh wait, let's cheers to turbos and boost. Cheers. Garrett. Well, this escalated quickly.
It's summer.
It's summer.
Hanabi.
So it's Hanabi time, which means fireworks. Yo, this looks good. What is this thing? Maybe this one?
No. No, we can't do that.
Some big boy ones. No, we want to get like the cute small ones.
Have you ever done this before? Unchi Hanabi?
Yeah. It's the poop one. It looks like poop. It literally like all comes out and it looks like poop. We should just get one of these packs.
That's long.
So if you guys have, oh yeah, these are nice too. So if you guys have watched any kind of like anime, I guess, you know that generally like on the summer of filler episodes, they all end up like squatting around a bucket of water with fireworks, and like there's like the drop one, and they try to see how long it survives as it works its way up. We're gonna do some of that stuff tonight. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. You excited?
I'm excited.
Is this the first time we've done this?
Yeah.
And like,
finally a romantic.
this is romantic?
Yeah?
Oh. Okay.
Who do you think I am? I have a Japanese passport.
Yeah, I didn't realize this was like a romantic thing to do in Japan. I guess I missed that memo. My bad. Anyways, yeah, we're doing fireworks. We're gonna try not to burn down the house. Welcome to our backyard, where what did you buy?
Very dangerous.
They look like pencils. So we got our fireworks pack there. We also have a R33 Skyline spare door. And we've also got our bucket of water. And we're gonna test off with this little guy here. Whoa. It's like a sparkler. What to do with a bucket of water, right?
No kimuri comes out, no smoke. Looks so pretty.
So for some reason, holding sparklers is romantic in Japan. I learnt that today, so
Really?
I thought that was interesting.
Okay, let's try mine.
All right,
The one that went.
May gets a turn. Ooh. Over the bucket, please. Nice.
I'm scared. What the hell is bubbling?
Yeah, I think it's meant to.
It wasn't as dramatic as I thought it would be. The photo was this.
The photo did look nicer, yeah. Scammed.
There's so much smoke coming up.
It's fine. It does look nice. Imagine if like you hold it. Yeah, it kind of looks nice like that.
Okay.
It's like a waterfall effect.
It's okay. It wasn't as dramatic. Anyways, this is how Japanese people do summer.
Summer. Yeah, this is a Japanese summer thing. We're like the little slow burning ones that you play games with.
Games.
Yeah, you know, like in the drop on the end.
Yeah, let's do that one. That's the most romantic one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're learning, guys. Yeah. So these, you're not allowed to drop it, right? And you got to hold it there as long as you can, and whoever drops first loses. That's the game, right?
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
But it's also but it also represents how long your love relationship.
I don't believe in that, but sure.
That's the whole
That's the
story.
whole story. Yeah, but how long? I mean, those things hold on for like only a couple seconds. So what does
Well,
that
there's
translate
only
into
2.
years? There's only 2. Ooh. Here we go. Do we light them at the same time?
Yes.
Okay. Don't. Oh no, the wind. I'm gonna hold it above the bucket. Oh wow, it is building like a drop. So whoever drops first loses, right?
Yeah.
Damn, my drop's getting big.
Oh look.
Oh wow, that's actually kind of cool. Breathe, May.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, mine exploded. Okay then. Well, you won. I don't know what happened there, but mine exploded.
Looks so pretty, right?
It does. It's like the big firework. Ooh. There you go. Well, you won.
I was just editing this video and realized I never shot an outro. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely a lot more slice of life, but I know that you guys have been loving that, so we're trying to integrate that more in the vlogs. Also, it's summer and it's Obon, so me and May are gonna probably be taking a summer vacation, but we're gonna try and tee it all up so that we'll be able to still have content going out at the regular time. But just know that on every other kind of social media, I might be AFK for a little bit, especially like on the streaming services and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, write us a comment, and subscribe. And out of all the food that you saw in the B-roll, what looked the best to you and what would you like to eat right now? Because I'm sure I made a lot of you guys hungry, so I apologize, but also go get some food and enjoy life. And your boy got more pink hair. See you next time, guys. Peace out. Jamata. Hey babe, you know how you said that I could get one thing from my car this year?
Yeah.
Well, don't get mad, but it's kind of arrived and I need your help.
You need my help.
I can explain.